Hello, Alison. I hope you're doing well. So this is my fourth assignment, reflection. I believe that I have grown as an educator throughout this course by learning about UDL framework, doing all my assignments, and practice my new skills in the placement. This course really helped me to better support my students' learning experience. So I learned that educators should create an inclusive environment to make sure everyone fully engaged during the lesson or activity. I believe that the major duty of being an EA is to remove all the accessibility barriers in the educational setting and provide multiple means of representation for their students. According to CAST 2018, there is not one means of representation that will be optimal for all learners. Providing options for representation is essential, so it's vital for an EA to create information that can easily understandable, organized, and perceived by all the students. For my first assignment, based on Allison's feedback, I chose excellent strategy choices that accurately addressed UDL guidelines. For example, I gave detailed suggestions on how to connect with peers and acknowledging life experiences, as well as built-in scaffolding to lead the students to success. So, for multiple means of representation as a future EA, I will subtask the project and gradually scaffold my students because I believe that each student have different abilities to learn. According to CAST 2018, well-designed materials can provide customized and embedded models, scaffolds, and feedback to assess learners who have very diverse abilities in using those strategies effectively. According to Allison, 2021, Module 4, Lesson 2, strategic scaffolding can help students figure out what steps to take to solve the problem in the task. For my second assignment, which was the multiplication kit, based on Allison's feedback, I used many ways to attend to the UDL principles in my report. Also, I included many visual prompts for learners. So I designed this kit very thoughtfully using the UDL design to make sure it is accessible for everyone. For example, for this kit, I used one large blue foam dice. The student with access disability can roll the dice and count all the dots. And I added two dice, one purple and one blue, to give the students the opportunity to choose their favorite color for the dice. So I gave options to the student to give them the sense of engagement just before starting the game. Because I learned from CAST 2018 to help learners become more planful and strategic, a variety of options are needed. Also, according to Allison, Module 2, Lesson 5, attention to students' interest enhances the relevancy of learning by linking new information to students' experiences and interests. Thank you for listening and have a great day.